It's Tim Albright with AVNation at the CTI National Sales Meeting in the Legrand space with Mike Heinrich from Legrand AV. How are you, sir?
Good, thank you.
We are standing in front of the brand new Tempo mount.
We are.
From Legrand AV. Articulating mount, right? So it comes out from the wall.
It does.
This is a new, almost a new category for you guys. Not necessarily the TV mount part, but the thought process and the reasoning behind it.
Right.
Talk to somebody, if you're an IT manager or a higher education tech manager, why they should go down this route as opposed to another TV mount that they may be looking at.
Sure, absolutely. We built this as a system, right? So we knew that that we needed storage for small devices. We knew we needed serviceability, and we knew we needed easy to install. So we put all of those things together. We've built the products separately in the past that all combined into this unit. So this is all one unit, all is one SKU now. So you've got storage built in on both sides.
Yep.
You've got scissor pull-out for service. We know that systems need to be serviced, so we want to have that serviceability. It's 12 inches of scissor pull-out for a technician to come in and service the material behind it. Ease of install. One solid plane to be mounted to the wall.
Nice.
So it makes it easy. We try to make it as universal as possible. Currently 400 by 952 VESA pattern. We do have extensions that'll go up to 650 on the VESA pattern. Weight limit on this, we tried to get as much weight limit as possible. This is 200-pound weight limit.
Okay.
When we did the actual testing, we tested 4X. So when we put this on the wall and started adding weight to it, we got to 960 pounds. We tried to get to 250-pound weight limit. So we got to 960 pounds, and the wall fell apart. The mount stayed intact, but the wall fell apart. So we stuck around at around 200 pounds. But we think this is an all-in-one system, one SKU. Comes with power or without, with a 7-unit power strip. So we think this is revolutionizing the industry and making a new mount as a system rather than components.
All right, Mike, somebody wants to find out more about the Tempo, how do they do that?
They can go to legrandav.com and look up Tempo on wall.
All right. Mike Heinrich from Legrand AV for us, for AVNation. Go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv. Find this video and a host of others. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.